Today we're at Progress Heavy Vehicle Repair. Torquepower's had a long relationship with Progress Heavy Vehicle Repair back since 2004. Torquepower's here to support new owners Adrian and Annette O'Donnell. Progress was formerly owned by Peter Morgan, who was a former manager at Torquepower for many years.
I'm Adrian O'Donnell, owner of Progress Heavy Vehicle Repairs, and we're the one-stop shop for any truck-to-trailer combination. Services we offer here at Progress Heavy Vehicle Repair range from your normal everyday grease to major trailer services like wheel-off bearing services, powder tank repairs. We can look at anything. We've got a variety of guys here with the skill sets, particularly Cummins engines. We've got a couple of guys that have done years at Cummins and got good knowledge and experience there. Got a variety of guys with a variety of skills that can pretty much cover any sort of truck and trailer combination you can name. How I ended up in the truck mechanicking business, I used to help my father panel beat. He's a panel beater by trade, and I helped him after school, and that's definitely steered me away from panel beating, and he suggested there's a lot of trucks on the road that need fixing, so that's what sort of drew me to the business, and been there ever since. When I come across this business for sale, I knew the good history that Peter Morgan and the team had around the town, and really suited me and my family, both me in the diesel industry, and that's from the medical receptionist side of things and accounting, and the two boys as an apprentice here. We could have our good family business, suits our skill sets to the T. The family can work together, stay together. As a family, we not only work together, we actually play together on the weekends. We're a racing family. We've travelled all over Australia together racing. My kids racing junior categories right through to senior categories now. And yeah, we love the speedway racing, and the family get right into it. Each part of the family's got a job role in the race team, and everyone enjoys it, and we get some good results. So yeah, it's great to have a family full of mechanics, and even the grandfather being the panel beater comes in handy while you're racing cars and speedway. So our business here has had a long relationship with Torquepower over the years, and so they look after our Cummins supply. Anything we need for a Cummins, from gaskets to water pumps to you name it, they've got it in stock. And what we like about it is the availability of the parts straight away. Any issues, they sort it out with us. We work together to get the customer on the road as quick as we can.
As with all our customers, Torquepower support Progress Heavy Vehicle Repair with on-time parts supply, the right parts every time, as well as some technical support as well. That enables Adrian to get his customers back on the road in a timely manner.